Moving dangerous goods across and between countries has become a logistics nightmare. The endless regulations, complex codes, and compliance requirements make shipping hazardous materials a high-risk challenge.
But what if there was a way to simplify it all? Meet 4PL by Chemwatch, your ultimate solution for effortless, automated, and fully compliant dangerous goods transportation. With just a few clicks, 4PL pulls data from the world's largest SDS database, over 150 million SDS, instantly generating dangerous goods declarations.
Simply type in the product name and everything you need. Dangerous goods class, packing group, and shipping name is automatically populated.
Need to ensure compliance for inner and outer packaging? 4PL's interactive 3D labeling guarantees each package is correctly labeled across air, sea, and land. No errors, no rework.
4PL automatically identifies special provisions for each mode of transport for any shipment. Both inner and outer package markings are also determined for the entire journey. No need to repack or reload the consignment. To ensure all supply chain logistics managers have full visibility of all activities associated with the consignment, from cradle to grave, 4PL features a menu-driven QR code that shows real-time tracking and declarations. This QR code allows instant access to shipment details, assisting couriers, warehouse teams, and regulators.
No missing paperwork, no delays, just effortless compliance with 4PL by Chemwatch. Take control of your dangerous goods shipping today.